Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your channel name in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to rebrand your channel, update your identity, or choose a better creator name, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open YouTube Studio and sign into your account. So this is where you manage your channel settings and customization. Next, click on the Customization tab from the left menu. This section controls your channel branding and layout. So click the Basic Info tab. This is where your channel name, handle, and description are managed. Now type your new channel name. Choose something simple, memorable, and related to your content. So review your channel handle too. Sometimes you may want your handle to match your new branding. Next, click Publish or Save to apply your new channel name. The update usually appears quickly across YouTube. So after changing the name, update your logo, banner, and social media branding too. Consistent branding looks more professional. Now let your audience know about the name change. So post a community update or mention it in your next video. Finally, check your channel on mobile and desktop to make sure the new name appears correctly everywhere. And that's how to change your channel name in YouTube Studio in 2026. Once your branding matches your content and audience, your channel can look much more professional and memorable. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more YouTube tutorials.